Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you how I'll be decorating my classic skinny happy planner for the week of March 18th through the 14th, 2021. And I use this little planner for my social media planner. So what I do in my social media planner is I like to decorate a little bit, but it's mostly for a box in each day to be able to plan out the week's posts. So I try to do at least 2 to 3 Instagram posts per day and then 1 YouTube video per day. And so I have a box in each of those days to be able to write down those posts that I want to make sure that I put out in that particular day. So I guess it's more of a tracker kind of situation. I don't really know if social media planner is the right specific word because I just don't want to confuse anyone, but that's the way that I use it. So I start by figuring out which decorations or quotes or whatever I want to have throughout the page, and then I kind of figure out which boxes I want to use. But I started with putting the Snow White sticker on the right-hand page down at the bottom. And I found that because I really haven't been using my Disney stickers very much. I found that purple dress that she had on matched really good with this new Biz Babe sticker book. So I just thought, why not? So I just kind of stuck that down and put a cute quote beside it. And then I started with the quote up at the top of the other page that said, "Think bigger." And I really like to cut up quotes and place them down in my own configuration. So that's what I did. And when I put down the boxes, I really don't want them to be all uniform and in just like a straight line. So I try to do like zigzag kind of pattern. So I put like a decoration on one side and then box, and then on the other side in the next box I do box and then decoration. So just kind of zigzagging and making the boxes a little less uniform, I guess is the only word that I can think of. But Biz Babe is it's a good book. I really like the colors because they're much different than a lot of other books that they've ever produced. But there's not a lot of decor. It's mostly just functional and then quotes. So it made me have to kind of like think outside of the box and figure out how I want to place down the stickers, because I didn't want it to be heavy on the quotes. But I really liked all the different shapes. So I used some boxes that were kind of like half moon, and then I did a lot of circles. And then, like, for instance, this box had a lot of bullet points, but I don't need that many for one particular day. So I cut that up, put one on Thursday, and then the other on, or not Thursday, I put one on Friday and then the other on Wednesday. So that's how that went. This is a pretty quick spread, I would say, that I make each week. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's not a whole lot of things that I need to think about as far as like what needs to go down, because it's pretty much always the same. It's, decor and then boxes, decor and boxes. So the skinny planners, like either Skinny Mini or Skinny Classic, I think are really nice to have for one specific function and not as much as a catch-all, because catch-all for the most part needs to have a lot of space, but a skinny is, of course, smaller, so it's nice to have for one little specific function. So that's pretty much it. I'm all done. Just gonna pop it back into the discs for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.